Welcome to our tutorial on managing your invoices more efficiently. Start by scanning and saving all your invoices into one multi-page PDF and uploading it to your Docket invoice queue. From there, we'll guide you on separating that multi-page PDF into distinct invoices for optimal organization. Let's dive in. First, log into Docket by going to docket.com and clicking Sign in the upper right corner. Locate and click on the Expense Management drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Accounts Payable. In the Accounts Payable section, you will find various options. Click on Invoice Queue. Now click on Add Invoice. You can drag and drop a PDF of your invoices into your invoice queue. Click the blue Save and Close button. After uploading a multi-page PDF to the invoice queue, click on the Amount box and select Split Invoice by Page. You will enter the Split Invoice by Page window. In the top right corner, click Add Split below this page to initiate the split. Now use the Forward button to move to the next page and click Add Split below this page, again to continue splitting. Repeat these steps until you have split all the pages of the PDF. Click on Done when you have finished splitting the invoice. Following these steps, you can effectively split a multi-page PDF invoice into individual invoices within Docket, allowing for better organization and management.